A writer and personal development educator Ruben Chavez said that the person you will be in 5 years depends largely on the information you feed your mind today. Be picky about the books you read, the people you spend time with, and the conversations you engage in today. There are also other popular quotes that said that if you have 9 foolish or negative friends, guess who the 10th one is? Birds of a feather flock together. Show me your friends and I will tell you who you are. This is quite so true. All of these quotes are correct. You see, all of these quotes mean that you are the product of your environment and the information you feed your mind every day. This is what this chapter is going to deal with. We are going to look about the power of influence of the company you follow, the company you keep, and the company you associate with when you are doing this business. What's up, my fellow traders?
My name is Bruno FX Magnet. I am a professional Forex trader and a digital entrepreneur.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Let's get started. Lesson 1, Part 7. The power of association by trading Forex. Alright, guys, the moment you look up at something or someone, either for inspiration or motivation, you automatically associate yourself with their character, habits, manners, and lifestyle. The mind is the key element in association and focus. You have to train your mind to focus on finding the right thing or person to associate with. Guess who you will become after 5 years if you have people with poor mindset, people who have always limiting beliefs, people who is still complaining and blaming everything, and negative influences around you. At high school, when you are in the group of friends, you have had to go to those with similar interests and needs as yourself. If you end up in the good or wrong group, it's either you adopted their manners and become like them. That's the power of association. So, in this business, you need to teach your mind to associate with the minds of the people who are on the same mission as you, but they have been achieved that mission. You don't have to be physically close to him or her, but you can establish the association. All you need is to be online, because some associations are online, like on Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, in books, and so on. Alright? As the business coach, author, and motivational speaker Tony Robbins said, success always leaves clues. If you want to be successful, find someone who has achieved the results you want and copy what they do, and you will achieve the same results. Alright? The moment you focus on improving yourself is the moment you will see a positive change in your results. If you know someone who did something, never allow anyone else to tell you that it's impossible for you to achieve the same thing. Just check if the story is true and possible, because nowadays many stories are made up. So as a student, you have to take your own responsibilities for everything you will do in this business. But association is needed in order to see success. You have to be in a team, in the group of competent people that have the same mission as you. Surrounding yourself with those who have achieved what you need to achieve and working hard to reach their goals can be good for you. You will gain motivation, inspiration, and information that will help you along the way in this business. As Napoleon Hill said in his great book Think and Grow Rich, he said that experience has proven that the best educated people are often those who are known as self-made or self-educated. He said that it takes more than a college degree to make one a person of education. Any person who is educated is the one who has learned to get whatever he wants in life without violating the rights of others. He also said that education consists not so much of knowledge, but of knowledge effectively and persistently applied. Many are paid not merely for what they know, but more particularly for what they do with that which they know. So you need to associate yourself with those people who persistently paid for what they know and learn from them in order to awaken your financial genius and then make things happen. Surrounding yourself with those who achieved what you need to achieve and working hard to reach their goals can be good for you. Most successful traders went through sleepless nights, their brown accounts, emotional turmoil, failures, paying off mentors, and many other things. Their journey was not easy at all, but they created the solutions along the way. Now their destination was worth the journey, and you can keep pushing until you succeed. Alright, let's look at 5 kinds of dreamers and then choose those who you can associate with. Everyone has dreams, but not everyone dreams in the same way. There are 5 kinds of dreamers. The first one is those who dream in the past. These are people who believe that their greatest achievements are behind them. They will tell you stories of their college days, their army days, their high school football days, their life on the farm where they grow up. But if you try to engage them in conversation about the future, they will probably just shake their heads and say that the world's gone to hell in a handbasket. A person who dreams in the past is a person whose life is over. They may not be dead, but they no longer truly alive, and the only way they can come back to life is to wake up a dream. Number 2, in 5 kinds of dreamers, they are those who dream only small dreams. Some people limit themselves to dreaming only small dreams because that's the only way they can feel confident for achieving them. The ironic thing is that while they know they could achieve their small dreams, they often never do because they know that if they did achieve them, they would have nothing left to live for unless they then challenged themselves to come up with larger dreams. In other words, you would rather live small than face the risks and live a large life. Later in life, you will hear them say that, I should have done that years ago, but I just never got around to do it. This is the second kind of dreamers. The third one is those who achieve a dream and then live bored. These are most people who dreamed to be a specialist when they are in their schools, and then they graduated, they get a job, they enjoy their salaries, and then they become bored. They think they are something which is missing. Boredom for them, it's a sign to go to a new dream. There are a lot of people out there who work in professions they dreamed of in high school, but they have been out of high school for years. It's time for a new adventure if they are bored. The first one is in a kind of dreamers, those who dream big dreams but with no plan of how to go about achieving those dreams, and then they end up with nothing. You had heard or will hear people say, let me tell you about my new plan. For this time things will be different. I'm going to work harder, pay off my bills and invest. I just had a new company coming to my town and is looking for someone with my qualifications. This is could be my big break. People like this, they build the skyscraper with their mouths, but they never take an action. People like this often try to achieve a lot, but they try to do it on their own. But very few people achieve their dreams on their own. These people should keep dreaming big Make a plan and then find a team that will help them to make their dreams come true. Alright, let's go on number 5. In kind of dreamers, they are those who dream big, achieve those dreams, and then go on to dream even bigger dreams. I think most of us would be like this kind of a person. Big people have big dreams and small people have small dreams. If you want to change who you are, begin by changing the size of your dreams. You can be broke and still be rich in spirit, rich in ambition, rich in courage, and rich in determination. No matter how broke you might be, the only way you will become poor is by giving up on your dream. Never give up on your dream. Being broke is a temporary condition. Poor is different. Poor is a state of mind. Alright? Never give up on your dream. These are dream killing words used always by people, especially those who have already given up on their dreams. You will hear them say that you can't do that. That's too risky. Do you know how many people failed trying to do that? Don't be silly. Where do you come up with such ideas? If it's a good idea, is there anyone who has done it? Oh, I tried that years ago. Let me tell you why it won't work. Guys, likewise, poor or mistaken information is a liability. Poor information creates poor people. One of the reasons so many people are struggling financially is simply because they have misleading information. Many people who are struggling are doing so because they are using industrial or agrarian age information in the information age. These are examples of agrarian and industrial ages information are ideas like that. The agrarian age information is that land is the basis of all wealth. The industrial age information are I need a good education to get a high paying job. Job security is very important and I don't need to learn how to invest. I have a government pension plan that guarantees social security benefits while taking risks with my money. You know, all of those ideas are the ideas of the world that no longer exist. So, guys, if you want to achieve your goals, you have to choose wisely the company you follow and the information you feed your mind every day. Choose the company you keep wisely, alright? So, as a beginner who interested in dealing with finances for a living like online trading of financial markets like Forex trading, CDF, options, stock market, commodities, futures market, indices, and other financial markets. You who interested in investing, offering services, selling things, building an empire, and doing anything which is related to business. You will need the right people by your side who will guide you and motivates you and inspires you in the right way. Alright? Guys, when you join or create a mastermind group, you are tapping into a collective force that can help you to achieve your goals more quickly and effectively than you could on your own. By pooling your knowledge, resources, and experience with other like-minded individuals, you can access a wealth of information and support that you may not have on your own. This will create a positive and supportive environment that can help you to stay motivated and stay on track towards your goal, even if when things get tough. By surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your values and vision, you are also creating valuable connection in the relationship that can help you in other areas of your life. So, if you want to achieve success in any area of your life, you have to join or creating a mastermind group. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals that can support you and encourage you to achieve your goals. Thank you guys. Work harder and smarter in silence and then let your success make the noise. Do you still want to level up in Forex trading? Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video to your friend who need it. Let's meet in the next lesson. Bye bye.